Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you a new feature about Clapingo. I think you know that I have uploaded two videos regarding this, the new feature of Clapingo, that is peer learning, right? So I will provide those two videos in the description box. Go and check it out, where I showed you that how to connect with your co-learners or with your partners all over India to practice daily conversation in English, right? And today I am going to tell you that the new feature of Clapingo, that is peer learning, will provide you an AI based report after your conversation. Yes, and you can't believe that how AI report is accurate, and it is really outstanding. The AI report will provide you on the basis of your grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and also fluency. So you can trust the AI report, and that is the great feature of peer learning. For example, your AI report has reported that your fluency is low, so you have to work on your fluency, right? Similarly, if AI report provides you that your grammar score is low, then you have to improve your grammar. Similarly, vocabulary and also pronunciation. So AI report will definitely help you to track your English where you are and improve your English day by day after conversations. So try this new feature of Clapingo, that is peer learning, and get to know where your English level is actually on the basis of AI report of Clapingo. And AI report by Clapingo is too good. You can trust that. Here I am going to show you my AI report after talking with a peer on Clapingo. And also I will provide some portion of the video where I conversed with a peer on Clapingo. So why are you waiting for? Sign up immediately and improve your spoken English and practice your daily conversations with your co-learner all over India. Link in the description. Enjoy your English learning journey.
Hello. Yeah, I can hear you. Hello.
Yeah, hi, how are you?
I'm well, and how are you?
I'm also fine, thank you for asking. So, where are you from originally?
I'm from West Bengal, Kolkata, and you?
Okay, I am born in Delhi but brought up in Faridabad, Haryana.
Okay, that's nice. That's nice.
So, what do you do?
I'm a working professional. Like I'm working in an NGO. Apart from that, I'm preparing for government exams, and also
Okay,
I practice spoken English.
okay. What the NGO is about?
It's about like NGO helps the needy people. So with the help of the team, I help some needy people through the guidance.
But there could be some motive like some NGOs are for old age, some are for children. So, isn't this
Yeah,
precise?
actually, it is based to help the needy people in the villages, especially. So, in the
Okay.
remote area, they provide some education, and also in the hill station, there is a scarcity of water. So, they provide drinking water, and also they provide some ideas to channelize rainwater and to process it to drinking water.
Okay. So, are you just a part of it, or do you teach also and do other
Uh,
activities?
I I teach there, and also as a member of the NGO, as I am a working professional there. So sometimes I have to visit fields. Sometimes I have to visit different villages, and I have to meet or I have to connect with the local people there.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah, that's interesting.
And what?
Sometimes I yeah.
Yeah, sure. Continue.
Sometimes I don't get the actual local languages because they speak something different. So
Okay.
sometimes I have to use sign languages with the help of the team to connect with them. So it is very interesting, and also I can say uh, they have different life. They have been leading their life differently.
Okay. So did you learn sign languages from any from somewhere or by your own self?
Uh, by my own self, sometimes team guide me
Okay. Because I
because
think it's
they
not
speak
so
some.
easy.
Yeah, it's not so easy, and sometimes they speak Nepali. So sometimes I can connect with them Hindi because they understand Hindi little bit. So that's why it is easier to connect with them. Otherwise, as I am from Bengali, so but I didn't meet anyone who speak Bengali. So that's why I have to speak in Hindi and English. English is less, but Hindi is mostly Hindi.
Okay. And what are your interests and hobbies apart
My
from this NGO and
uh,
government exams?
hobbies like speaking English, traveling, and also I have a YouTube channel, so I upload videos, content there.
Okay. May I know the name of the YouTube channel?
Yeah, sure, why not? Iconic Indro.
Iconic Indro, right?
Yeah, perfect. Yeah,
Okay, fine. We'll subscribe to it.
yeah. Please subscribe. It would be very pleasure for me. And what do you do?
Okay, so right now I'm pursuing BCom from University of Delhi. It's my final semester of
Okay,
college.
okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So, is it hectic? I think.
Yeah, it's actually difficult to manage also because I need to commute like 30 kilometers in like a single take. And for both
Okay.
the ways, it's like 60 kilometers a day.
Yeah, it takes a lot of time, a lot of energy consumes.
Yeah, but it's almost like 20 to 25 days left for me to graduate.
Okay. Hopefully, you can graduate smoothly.
Yeah, sure. So, what food represents your personality?
What food?
Yeah.
I like biryani, but
Okay.
uh, not like biryani doesn't present me. I can say because that is very royal. So I am not that royal.
Hmm.
So plain rice and dal rice. You can say pulse rice.
Okay. So, that common Indian food.
Yeah, yeah. Because I love that, and it really helps me to keep myself healthy. So that's why.
So, are you one of those health conscious?
A little bit. And you?
Okay. So, I'm not so health conscious because I am a foodie person.
Yeah, I
No
am also.
matter
I am also foodie. Yeah.
So no matter how much we try to control our diet, na, still this thing is there that let's eat for at least a day. We will start it from
Mm.
tomorrow, and this keeps on going in my
Same thing.
life.
Same thing. Same thing happens to me. But yes, I sometimes I try hardly to keep myself healthy, or sometimes I do exercise. That's it.
Okay, so have you joined any gym or do it? You do it home
Not
workouts?
yet. Actually, I'm not getting so much time like for 1 hour. So I just do it for 20 minutes in a day, just freehand exercise
Hmm.
to get refreshed. That's it's because I'm preparing government exam, and you know that how much study I like. Someone has to need to crack that. So that's why.
I hope I'm audible because the network quality is showing low on my end.
Oh, okay.
I'm just
So may
asking
I?
you, am I audible to you?
Yeah, you are audible. You are audible. You are
Okay,
audible,
fine.
and you are visible too.
Okay. Thank you for confirming. And by the way, as your name is Indrajit, right? So many
Hmm.
of the people won't be pronouncing the full name. Sometimes they must have given you some nicknames as well. So, what's the weirdest nickname someone has ever given you?
Oh my God,
Because
Indira.
this is
That is Indira.
really
Indira.
so people call you Indra, like it's your home nickname.
A home nickname, but they call sometimes they call it like as it feminine, like Indira, not Indra. Indira Gandhi, like female name.
Mm-hmm.
So they call me something like that. So it sounds really weird to me, but they call. So
Okay. And what's the meaning of Indrajit? Like, I think this is new to me.
okay, yeah, Indrajit means basically son of Ravana, but
Mhm.
in another way you can present that it is the it has strength. The name has strength, so that's why. That's
Okay.
the meaning. And what's your name? I just Yashita.
It's Yoshita, and people often find it as a Bengali name
Okay, okay,
because
okay.
it's
Yeah, it is
sounding
similar.
Yoshita, right? So, somewhat you
Yeah.
said that in Bengali as well.
Okay, okay. And what does it mean?
Yoshita means someone who is blessed and fortunate enough.
Okay, wow. So nice. So nice. And
Yes. So,
so
what government
and
exams are you preparing for, if I may know?
uh yeah, sure. Basically banking exams.
Okay. So, are you from commerce background?
No, I am from engineering background
Okay. And
and
what
I
fascinated you towards banking?
because government job means stability and I wanted to get it, but I got the job for working in NGO from placement, campus placement, but I
Okay.
didn't. I can continue it with the getting because I find there is no growth in this NGO sector. So I can,
Mm-hmm.
if to talk about help, I can definitely help some people with getting another job also. So that is no issue. So that's why I'm preparing for government job to stabilize myself, to settle, and also yes, I have YouTube channel, so that is my really great hobby. You can say I just upload videos.
And from where did you get the inspiration to start a YouTube channel?
Actually, in lockdown 2020, I have started my YouTube channel, and there was nothing to do. So my family members used to say that, yeah, you should. And as I am introverted, so they used to
Hmm.
say that you have to talk more, you have to practice English to crack interviews, and also that's why I have started, and it is totally based on English speaking. So yes, that's the reason to create my YouTube channel.
Okay, fine. And may I get to know why did you join this platform? Just because
Uh,
there is this fascination of learning English, as you
uh,
mentioned.
Yeah, that's true. And to speak with new people, to know about their culture. Sometimes, like India is a diverse country, right? So there are a lot of people from different cultures, different traditions. So I just want to get to know some culture and some. I love connecting with new people. I love talking in English. So that's why I have joined.
Okay. As you also mentioned that you like traveling, right? If I'm not
Yeah,
wrong.
yeah, yeah.
So, how many places have you been?
Oh my God, don't ask that because as I am not rich, so I don't have any option to go outside my state. But in my state, I have visited Darjeeling, which is very famous as a hill station, and also
Hmm.
some sea beaches like Sundarban and Digha. These are the things I have visited inside.
These is in also Bengal.
Yeah, yeah, inside
I'm
state. Yes, I
hearing
am
this
from
for
West Bengal.
the first time.
Yo, hello, hello.
Hello?
Yeah, now you are hearing like.
Hello?
But hello, yes, yes, I can hear you. Now I can hear you. And me?
Actually, I don't know why this is taking a lot of network from my end.
That is showing that. Yeah,
Yeah, now though, I don't know why. I'm really sorry, but the network is not working now. I think now I'm audible.
yeah, you are audible and you are barely visible.
Okay. Was it visible earlier?
Now I can. I Yes, I can see you now.
Okay, fine. Mm. By the way, how did you maintain consistency while you were like the day you created a YouTube channel? It's not so easy to maintain consistency because
Hmm.
I even created a YouTube channel and deleted it after a month.
Why?
So, because I lack consistency, I don't
Oh.
have so much of patience. So, I'm asking yours opinion on this. How did you
Uh,
maintain consistency?
Actually, in lockdown, it really helps me to be consistent because there was not other work. But nowadays, I am not so active, but I upload videos like
Hmm.
3 or 4 videos in a week, so that to be consistent little bit.
Okay.
And sometimes I have to
Hmm.
script and I have to think about on what topic I have to make videos. So that's how it takes time. But nowadays, like last month, I was not so active. But from this day one, like first May, I am continuing uploading shorts videos, especially to be to get a wider audience. That's it, and to improve my making skills like video editing skills, and also to spread knowledge.